Hello students, welcome back. Let us take a look at a solved example related to volume of hemisphere on page 235 of your textbooks. Question number 19. It states that a hemispherical bowl has radius 3.5 centimeters. You need to find the volume of water it would contain. So we are simply going to substitute the value of radius into the formula for volume of hemisphere, which is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, and to find the volume. So the volume of the hemispherical bowl is going to be the same as volume of water it would contain, right? Because that would be the capacity of the bowl. So let's find the solution. I'll say volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r cube, which is 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. So this is for r cube. So 7 ones are 7, 7.5s are 35. So this is going to be 44 upon 3 into 0.5 into 35 would be 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 50. Okay, so let's just write 0.5, and we know that the square of 35 will be 5 5s are 25 and 3 4s are 12. So 1225 and 2 decimal places out here. Now this can be further written as 44 into 0.5 into 12.25 would be 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 5 1s are 5 6. And how many decimal places? 3. Divide by 3. So let's multiply. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rewrite this as 6125 upon 1000 in order to get rid of the 3 decimal places in the numerator into 44 upon 3. So 6125 into 44 can be written as 6125 into 40 plus 4. Three into 1000. So this is equal to 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 1s are 4, 5, 4 6s are 24, plus 2 4 5 00, divide by 3 into 1000. Now let's add these two numbers. You get 2 4 5 000 and 2 4 5 00. So 0 0 5 9 6 2, and this is 0. So this is equal to 269 500 divide by 3 into 1000. So now in order to get rid of these okay, so we will first divide 269 500 by 3. Let's just rewrite this. 269 500 by 3 into 1000. So 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 25 26, 3 9s are 27, 28 29, 3 8s are 24, 25, 3 3s are 9 10, 3 3s are 9 10, and 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So you get 89833.33 upon 1000. Now in order to get rid of 3 zeros in the denominator, we shift towards the left in the numerator by 3 points. So 1, 2 and 3. So this gives us 89.8333 and so on. So this is approximately going to be equal to 89.8. Why 89.8? Because this number out here 3 is less than 5, so I just take one decimal point after the denominator, and that which is 8, and I do not add anything to it. So this is volume, which will be in centimeter cubes. So finally you are going to write your answer, that the amount of water or the volume of water the bowl can contain is 89.8 centimeter cubes. So please take a look at the solution. Thank you for watching the video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.